Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, again I am gonna teach you that how to solve this question. This question was asked in mathematics olympiad. So basically we have to compare these two terms. First is 50 to the power 50 and second is 49 to the power 51. So manually we can't calculate it because it would gonna give us a very large result, so it is not possible to calculate it through hands. So we will use some mathematical principles to evaluate the greaterness of the one. So let's write these terms again. So 50 to the power 51, and we can write this as 49 to the power, this is 50 to the power 50, 49 to the power 51. So if we can write this as 50 to the power 50, and we will take the ratio of this, because if the ratio is greater than 1, then definitely this term is bigger, and if the ratio is less than 1, then this term is bigger. So we can write this as 49 to the power 50 multiply by 49. Then because the powers are same, then we can collect these terms to the left side. So we can write this as 50 divided by 49 to the power 50, ratio 49. Then we can write this 50 as 49 plus 1. So we will break it as 1 plus 1 divided by 49 to the power 50, ratio 49. Now here we are seeing some expression that we have learned in the limit chapter, that 1 plus 1 divided by n to the power n, and if this expression, if n tending to infinite, then this value will be equivalent to Euler number. And it is represented by E. And the value of E is close to 2.718282849045 and up to infinite. Since it is an irrational number, so its value we can assume close to 3. Now here 1 plus 1 divided by n to the power n plus 1. So first we have to convert this in the limit format. So 1 plus 1 divided by 49 to the power 49. Then 1 plus 1 divided by 49 to the ratio 49. So this is the term. Since n is equal to 49 here, so it is a very big term, that is far greater than 1. So we can consider the value of this approximately E. So we will get the term E multiplied by 50 divided by 49, ratio 49. Then on further solving we will get, so let's suppose the value of E is 3. So we can write this as 3 multiplied by 50 divided by, if we will take this 49 to the left side, then we will get this term as 49 to the power 2, ratio 1. Then definitely from here we can write this as, we know that this 150 into 3, it will be 450. So 450 is far less than 49 square, correct? Then definitely the LHS would be less than 1. So LHS value will be less than 1. Then we can say that the denominator is greater than numerator. So from here we can say that 50 to the power 50 is less than 49 to the power 51. So this is the correct approach to solve this problem by mathematical concept. This is the answer. You cannot calculate it by any other method, maybe factor method or any other method. So this is the correct method by the limit. This is the concept of limit. So I hope you got this problem. So if you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment on this video, and I will keep bringing you such type of questions which was asked in Olympiads. So thank you very much. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.